there are times it doesn't work, but it is a very, very good option for you in the fact, again, there are a lot of circumstances that may be the best route to go FHA for you.
Hey folks, Cameron Stewart here with eXp Realty out of Rome, New York, serving all of your residential real estate needs here in the Mohawk Valley, the greater Utica, Rome area. I'm joined again with David Smith, Premium Mortgage. How are you today, David?
I'm very well. How are you doing, Cameron?
Hanging in there, can't complain. Today, we're talking about FHA loans, okay? Let me be clear. I'm not talking about FHA loans. David's talking about FHA loans. Jam-packed with information, but David's going to break down some simple things for you and then give you some contact information if you have any follow-up questions about FHA loans. David, FHA loans, give us some more information about that, please.
FHA loans are great, honestly. Oftentimes we don't know that we're in the market for a house or we're in the market for our first home, and we have other programs, but I think FHA really helps people maybe if you have a lower credit score or you don't have a ton of cash down because you can roll some of those closing costs into your mortgage. So there's just some really great things about the FHA loan that is not underutilized, but if you don't know how to ask, or you read things on the internet, well, this is why FHA loan is bad, or this is why FHA loans don't work. And honestly, the FHA loan is what makes the ability for a lot of folks to be able to buy a home.
Now why is that? Exactly with FHA loans. Why do people qualify more people qualify for FHA loans?
Well, it's a government loan. It's a government-backed loan, and obviously when you grow up, what do we hear? The American dream is to purchase a home. And I would be fooling myself if I was here telling you, do an FHA loan, but I've never done one myself. Both the houses that I've purchased have been FHA, and Ashley and I just recently purchased a house in Clinton, and we did an FHA loan. And it allowed us to save some money out of our pocket. The interest rate was a little bit lower than what a normal conventional loan is. So oftentimes you're going to get a better rate. The mortgage insurance is going to be cheaper. And the cash out of your pocket is going to be much less than if you were just to go your traditional loan amount. And what I mean by that, your traditional conventional loan is 20% down, where FHA loan is 3.5% down. So you do the math. That's a big savings in down payment.
Fair enough. So FHA loan means first-time home buyer, right? Which means you can only use it once, right?
No, you can, like I said, I've done 2 mortgages myself. I bought 2 homes, and both have been an FHA mortgage. So every situation is different, so I can't speak for all buyers, but that's why you call me, and we sit down and we figure out what is the best plan for you. And sometimes the FHA route is, and people are like, well, my realtors tell me I can't do an FHA loan. Listen, there are times that the FHA loan won't work because it is more strict on the condition of the house, making sure there's safety issues and those sorts of things. So, there are times it doesn't work, but it is a very, very good option for you in the fact, again, there are a lot of circumstances that may be the best route to go FHA for you. But you do not have to be a first-time home buyer.
Awesome. So if you purchased a home before, whether it was an FHA loan at the time or a conventional loan or a USDA or whatever it was, you can still take advantage potentially of an FHA loan in the future. Mm-hmm. So folks, if you have any more questions about FHA loans, you can call David directly. How do they get a hold of you?
607-437-9202. You can call. I know text is big in our era. You can text me, if you want more information or you're considering buying a house, I can send you over my link, as can Cameron, to get the process started for you.
Awesome. And once again, Premium Mortgage office, new office that is down here in downtown Clinton, right on the Village Green, next to Utica Coffee Roasters. So come on down, grab a coffee, come talk to David, ask any questions you want about FHA loans. Thanks so much for joining me, folks, and stay tuned for the next video.